Hey, how's it going, everyone? Brad here from West Coast Motorcycle Adventures. Today I'm going to change the spark plug on my Yamaha TW200. And to do that, I'm going to need the toolkit. So today I'm going to show you guys where the toolkit is on the Yamaha TW200, the tools that are in the toolkit, and how to change a spark plug on your Yamaha TW200. Here we go. All right. Toolkit's right behind this piece of plastic. To get that off, it's really quite simple. Just like that. This here goes in right up here, and these two things, they slide onto these that are right there. Super simple. So here's the toolkit. Inside the toolkit, we have what I need. We need the spark plug remover. We have a screwdriver that has other ends that are in here. We have a 19 and a 22, a 19 and a 22. We got a pair of pliers. We got a 14 and a 17. 14, 17. And then, of course, more bits. For this, we got an 8 and a 10, and a 10 and a 12. So, let's do the spark plug. Spark plug wrench. So, that. Whoop, wrong way. Put that over there. Take the 19 on there. We got lefty loosey, right? Left. Loosen that off there. Time for a new spark plug. Did you get a good look at that? Anybody want to tell me anything they know about how that looks? Am I running rich? Am I running lean? My bike running okay? I don't know. Where's that other spark plug? It's in my pocket. Let me take a new spark plug. Like so. I'm just gonna put some dirt and stuff around here that I don't want to get down in there. I don't think, hey? That's probably not where you want dirt. And go ahead and righty-tighty. And if you've watched my other video about if you're trying to screw and there's resistance, stop trying to screw. That's some damn good advice. Put that one in. And I don't have a torque wrench. Whoops. I need this guy. I don't have a torque it down, but you know what? Oh, wrong side. It wasn't very tight, so I bet you you don't want to fucking He-Man that in there. You just want her just like that. Just like that. I'm gonna put that back on. Just like that. You change your spark plug in your T-dub. And for those who don't know, that's the first time I've changed a spark plug in my T-dub. So that's how it's so easy. Somebody's able to do an instructional video on how easy it is. But that's not what I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to show you guys what was in here. So I hope you guys enjoyed taking a peek inside the toolbox on the Yamaha T-Dub. Get that back in there. That. Come on, clip on. There you go. And then to get this back on, I'm gonna slide it under this way. The seat. Put that first one in, and then those other two just pop right on like that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.